Good morning to me. I don't know when you're watching this, but it is morning here at the Motomillion studios and it's December. It's the first work day of December. I had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you all did as well. We had a lot of stuff going on here. 650 was in town last week. We delivered this beautiful RSV4. I got to ride his Hayabusa, the crazy 1600cc Hayabusa. But this week is off to a great start. The year is ending, but we're still moving forward at Motomillion. And the most exciting thing this week is the studio as you see it. Hopefully we'll be moved by the end of the weekend so that I can show you the new studio in its new space. But right now, I'm gonna go to the new studio and show you the empty space just so that we get an idea of how things are gonna be looking. Well, here we are. We're actually not too far from the old studio. We're a couple doors down. And this is the new space getting ready. So this is one side of things. And I don't know how big this is looking from the point of view that you guys are watching, but this is pretty much the same size on this side, but we have an other side as well. And we actually have more room so that we could have a proper podcast studio if you want to, and you can see that the audio changes right away. And you guys might recognize here, this is our back courtyard here at Motomillion. Let's go to this side. I'm very, very excited, guys, because this is what I love doing, and this is the complete other side. So, the goal of this week is to continue bringing you guys great content, but also I gotta be on top of the move and the build outs because it's a lot of stuff that we have to get done. And right here will be my new office. Exciting things going on. But this week, other than this, maybe tomorrow I get to go and see the 2025 Panigale V4S. That's at Ducati Miami. It's not our bike, it's actually a demo bike. Our bike should be here any day as well. So let me figure out and organize for all of the moving stuff. And then maybe next time this camera turns on, there will be a beautiful red 2025 Panigale V4S in front of us. And then I'll try to keep you guys updated throughout the whole process of the move so that you guys can be a part of it as well, because you guys have been part of this journey. I really appreciate all of you guys who click the like button, subscribe, and comment on our videos. Let's continue on with the journey, guys. It's Wednesday, and I'm pretty hyper, guys, because I've had too much coffee to drink. It's early in the morning, and our move is going right along. So we're still trying to work here and move. We got pieces of wood here, some furniture lying around, and our cabinets are missing. We have to move everything this week. Don't worry, it's still Motomillion. It's not a renovation channel or a home decor channel that you're watching. I'm gonna show you some bikes once we start moving the bikes around. And exciting thing is we get to reorganize our studio layout. So the studio layout's gonna be different. Once you see it, comment below to see what you think of it, because we've had this corner set up on this studio and our previous studio, which was only a year ago that we moved here. Things are growing along fast. We're moving quickly. We're growing thanks to you guys, because you guys like these videos, subscribe to our channel, and comment below. But I'm gonna give the guys a hand with moving everything over. I'll check back when I have the other studio somewhat set up to show you guys, and I'm ready to hear your thoughts on it. It's Monday, guys. If you're familiar with this place, it looks familiar, but it's not the same place. We are in the new Motomillion media offices. Everyone's working hard to do the finishing touches so that we can finish up this place, so that we can resume operations as normal. This is our studio, guys. If you can tell what's different, because something's been changed about the studio. If you can let me know what it is, if you know what it is, comment down below. But on Saturday, we were at the Ducati event here in Art Basel in Miami, where they introduced the Tricolore.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the new Panigale V4 Tricolore.
You could be sure that we're going to make a video giving our thoughts about that motorcycle. And on top of it, it's a Tuesday when this video is airing. And we usually make our vlog videos for Sundays, but we've been very busy trying to get this place sorted out. So this thing is going up on a Tuesday, and you can expect for the content to continue as it is. And for the guys who asked about the 20K challenge, Suzuki Gixxer 1000, a little bit of patience, guys. This has been a huge process to move things. It's not just the motorcycles in the studio, but it's all the wiring, the cameras, the IT stuff, and everything else that goes along with it. On top of it, we want to have spaces to make better and newer content for you guys. But I think this is it for this vlog, guys. We're going to continue on as usual without interruptions. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.